Hello, my name is Nisha, and today's demonstration is how I install a hair stick. It's exactly the same motion as how I install the hair fork. I'm just showing you the difference between that and installing it on stretched hair. So I'm just going to put my hair in a bun, and I am going to take the hair stick and point it towards my scalp as I insert it into my hair. As I slide it through, I'm scooping a chunk of hair out of the middle to create tension. And as I slide it through the other side, I angle it away from my head a little bit so it's securely in place. This first hair stick is from OpiumNature. I like OpiumNature hair sticks because they are 9 inches. You can buy 9-inch options. The other two are from YevheniiaShop, and they are standard size, which are typically either 5 to 7 inches. And they work well also. They're just a little bit smaller, a little bit skinnier. So if you have very thick, very long natural hair and you like hair sticks, but you can't find any that your hair doesn't swallow up, OpiumNature is a little bit pricey, but I do own several of those and I love them because they are scaled very large. And this is just a reminder, none of the items in my video are sponsored. These are just items that I love and I use frequently, so I wanted to share them. Just in case anyone was wondering, I am going to follow up on the Bantu knots that I installed during last week's wash. Anytime I do a wash day, I always transition the initial style into several more styles before I'm ready to rewash my hair again and rehydrate it. So if you are interested in that, that video is going to be ready by the end of the month. I just want to cycle through several styles and compile it into one video before I post it. If you like the content of my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.